Come over here on this side.
Come over here. Come on. Good job. In.
Come on.
Can you come up here? Here. Come get me. Come get me. Can you come get me? Or you can go straight for Grandma?
Are you?
Come here. Come up here and play with me. Come on. Hi, how are you?
Grunt, grunt. Are you going to go back down now?
No. I'll help you. Oh, look, a piece of paper to get. Oh, can you get that piece of paper? Look at that.
Come here.
Maybe you should come over this way.
Come here, Tander.
Merrick.
Merrick. Oops.
There's so many kids these days.
Oh, no, he's over there mad at me. Tander, what's the matter?
Pull. Can't get his diaper over the hump. You gonna bite me or what? You can do it. You skittled up here a little bit.
He was all the way up. He was back there.
Get ready, Tina.
Ha ha ha. And then he pushes himself back down. Maybe he's trying to figure out if he can go up and down.
All right.
Woohoo!
All right. All right.
Oh, what's the matter with that guy over there? What's the matter with that guy over there, huh? What's that fussing about? Huh? Are you complaining because you have too many toys? Is that what's going on here? Is that what you're saying? I have too many toys and I don't know what to do with them? That must be it, huh? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Can't see. Oh, there he is! Oh, life is so hard.